Good morning, everyone. Today we will do about the chapter 1 population distribution, density and growth as well as composition. In the previous video we have discussed about the population distribution, density and in growth we did the trend of population growth. In today's session we will discuss about how the growth of population is varied from one state to another, from one part of the country to another in the regional variation of population growth. Very first, the decadal growth rate of India in 2001 to 2011 is 17.64%. In this, Kerala is the state which had registered lowest growth rate. This was just 9.8%. Apart from that, the state like Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Pondicherry and Goa have shown a low rate of growth which do not exceed than the 20%. Meghalaya have registered the highest growth rate. In this, the states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Uttarakhand, MP, Sikkim, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand have higher growth rate than the national average. You can see this in this picture. Figure 1.3 which shows the India growth of population of 2001 to 2011. This is the growth rate of 20 year. Only the low growth rate have been experienced in the state of Kerala, right? And this light gray color showing the growth rate 10 to 15 and this type of 15 to 20. The state of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Maharashtra is showing this low growth rate compared to national average. And the continuous belt of Northern Plain from Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Bengal as well as Assam is showing higher growth rate more than 20 to 25%. And during the 2001 and 2011, the growth rate in almost the states and union territories have registered a low figure compared to previous decade. That was 1991 to 2001. The percentage decadal growth rate of 6 most populous states Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. How Madhya Pradesh have shown higher growth rate compared to 1991-2001. The fall being lowest for Andhra Pradesh, that is just 3.5% point compared to previous growth. But it is highest for the Maharashtra. This is more 6.7% in this state compared to previous. Right? Now, you will see that an important aspect of population growth is its adolescent population. Adolescent population which is between 10 to 19 years. This is one of the important aspects of population growth in India. At present, the share of adolescent population or you can say adolescents is to 20.9%. Among which male adolescent population is 52.7%, female adolescents are 47.3%. we show the sexual discrimination or low sex ratio. The adolescent population regarded as youthful population, the population which is having high potential, but at the same time they are quite vulnerable if this population is not guided and channelized properly. There are many challenges for the society as far as this adolescent population or the youth population is concerned. Some of the challenges have been given here. The challenges to adolescent population includes the marriage at lower age group. This also include child marriages, illiteracy, particularly female illiteracy, which is always lower than the male literacy. School dropout is the major concern of adolescent population. People are taking admission, children get admission, but amid the session they are leaving schools. There is low intake of nutrients. Malnutrition is one of the major problem in adolescent population. There is high rate of maternal mortality and of adolescent mother. Many mothers die at the time of delivery. There is high HIV and AIDS infection. Physical or mental disability or retardedness is one of the major challenge. Drug abuse and alcoholism is one of the major problem of youth in the country. Female delinquency and committance of crime is one of the major problem, right? In the schools, children are falling in juvenile delinquency. They are committing crime, but this is considered as juvenile crime. Now the government of India have taken many initiatives under the certain policy for imparting education to the adolescent group so that their talent are better channelized and properly utilized. There is a program or policy, that is National Youth Policy, is one of the example which have been designed to look into the overall development of as large youth and adolescent population. The National Youth Policy 2014, which was launched in February 2014, and this policy proposes a holistic vision for the youth of India, which is to empower the youth of country to achieve their full potential and through them enable India to find rightful place in the community of nation. The National Youth Policy 2014 is defined as youth. Define youth as person of age group 15 to 29. Earlier this adolescent which is falls in 10 to 19, but the youth is considered 15 to 29 year of age group. And there is a national policy have been formulated by the government, that is called National Policy for the Youth. The government of India also formulated this policy for the skill development and entrepreneurship in 2015 to provide an umbrella framework to all skilling activities being carried out within the country and to align these to common standard and link skilling with demand centers. And this appear from the growth of the population in the country. There is a wide variant over the space and time in the country from one region to another. and in a same state from one place to another, from one region to another as well, right? But in order to have better insight into the growth pattern of population, this is necessary to look into the social composition of population. Thank you.